Hey everyone. So this video we're going into some more detail about the actual structure of DNA and RNA molecules. So they're the two types of nucleic acids that cells use to keep their genetic information and to help them make proteins. So the basic summary of the structure of DNA is that it's like a twisted ladder. So if you think about a ladder, you've got the supports running up the side, the vertical supports, and then you've got the rungs of the ladder, which are the horizontal bars going across. And if you could have a ladder that's made out of rubber or plastic and you could twist it, then that would let you twist the ladder into a double helix shape. And that's the structure of DNA. So if ever you hear double helix, you know that it's a twisted or coiled structure that makes up DNA. And the reason it's called double is because you've got the two rungs of the ladder that are being twisted around each other. So you can have a single helix too if you just twist a single strand, like one piece of string. So the particular features of the double helix that we need to know are the backbone, and they're the same as the supports on the ladder. So you can see here the backbone runs along the outside, and that's what holds the base pairs in place. So the backbone is the spiral sections that hold the bases. And then obviously we've got the base pairs as well. So we all know what they are. We've got adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. And that's what actually holds the genetic code. And they're like the rungs of the ladder. So that's DNA, but for RNA, remember there's a few differences. DNA is double-stranded, whereas RNA just has the one strand, so we call it single-stranded. So then obviously RNA has a single helix structure. Sometimes it doesn't even coil up into a helix. And we've also learnt that RNA has uracil as a different base, but it still has adenine, guanine, and cytosine. So the key difference for RNA is it's the single strand and it's got uracil. It still has the backbone structure that hold the bases on there. But it's basically just half, it's got the same structure as half of a DNA molecule. So that's the basic structure of DNA and RNA.